Alright guys, so we're leaving Lake Tahoe. We're on Highway 50, and the first stop is going to be Sacramento, and then from there I don't know if we're going to go into San Francisco, Petaluma, or Bodega Bay, which they're all near the same place. But the goal is to get to Big Sur. That's the goal. But I'm enjoying this road. This is a beautiful stretch of highway right here, going up this mountain.
For a limited time, the Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall Edition package, which includes front LED turn signals, rear LED turn signals, smoke lenses, the Magic Strobe brake flasher, and a Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall collaboration pack. There's a limited supply. Make sure you order yours today. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
Lake Tahoe does not disappoint. Now I remember, if I go up this mountain, it's going to be cold, and by the time you get to Sacramento, you're going to be, yeah, oh, that was beautiful, man. You're going to be, oh wow, rusting all the way down. That should have been a picture. It's going to be cold, and by the time you get to Sacramento, you'll be wishing you had some cold. At least that's how it was in one year. But this year, it's been unseasonably cold. Well, cool, not cold. Right now, the snow is melting off the top of the mountain. That's why earlier we just saw a waterfall. I was talking, it was to my right, so I don't know if you guys caught a glimpse of it, but I think there's another one coming up on the right here. Let me slow down a little bit. Nope. Nope. Where there was a forest fire and the trees are starting to grow back. Yeah, they do that sometimes, controlled. Oh, that's beautiful. Guys, look at that view. Beautiful. I tell you what, if you're afraid of heights, and I am, but not like this. I'm afraid of heights like on tall buildings or ladders. This is not for you. I'm not afraid of this. Look at that view. The good thing about it, most of these cars in front of me got California plates on there. They ain't worried about these curves. They take these every day. A guy with a boat in front of me, he ain't holding me up at all. Elevation 7,382 feet. I guess that was the summit. We're probably going down now. It says brake check area, so I guess so. Usually when you see that, you know you're about to start going down. Snow chain area going up, brake check area coming down. Man, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have to go over another mountain range. I would assume so. This is the old Pony Express trail, by the way. From what I remember, the Pony Express is like was a letter carrier. Well, would be modern day UPS, right? Carried a little bit of valuable, maybe some gold for the government or something like that. And I don't know, but I know there was a carrier service. I don't know what they carried, and this is the trail that they used to be on, and they would have fresh horses at every station. They would get off, jump on another horse, keep on going, or pass it over to somebody who had another horse to keep on going, or tie up the stagecoach to fresh horses and keep going. That was their fast delivery system. And if you were a good rider, no, you was a good rider if you was a rider for the Pony Express. I read that. I can imagine so. They wanted to get whatever they was getting to the other side as soon as possible. Bumps in the road, big bump. I mean, there's no need to pass these people. Usually a guy with a boat on the back, this guy's rolling with this boat on the back. Entering Phillips now. A lot of cleared trees right there. Guess they're about to build a development or something, or they just cut down where it was fire. More snow up there. It's a snow slide area. Milestone track. Water's running down through there. Man, looks a lot different than the East Coast. Our woods look different than this. Like the ground flooring of the East Coast is covered with shrubbery and stuff like that, weeds. Well, mainly you see pine needles covering the floor. So it'd be easier, in my opinion, to walk through these woods than it would be on the East Coast. Let's see, we got 85 miles on this road. Thank God I got gas. Definitely want a full tank. To another steep grade, 6% grade. Next, I think it said next 8 miles. Potholes in the middle, pothole in the middle, another pothole. Look at that water, look. Oh, that's beautiful. Man, this is a road. Potholes. That's the only thing about it. You might have potholes in the middle of your turn. The road is a nice sweeping road, but it just needs to be maintained better. And this is not one of the bad ones. I've been in one of the bad ones, on one of the bad ones. Man, that is so, look at it, all that water rushing down. That's beautiful. Pass the lane, 4th mile. Look at that rock where it's just shaved off like that. That one right there, the cliff edge. Going down 6,000 feet. More water to the right. Big old pine trees, ain't they? You think these are redwoods? Just not as big as the ones in the redwood forest? It looks like a truck trying to come out. We gotta watch that. Strawberry population 50. Strawberry Station. Guys, I was going to end it here, but we're not at the bottom yet. I think we're getting close to the bottom. I'll let it run about 2 more minutes. But this is a great road. Look how big that tree is. My goodness. Where? Oh. So now my ears are popping. So we must be coming down now. And it is getting a little bit warmer. So yeah, we're definitely coming down now. Alright guys, so I said I was going to run it 2 minutes. It should be about 2 minutes now. I want to thank you for watching. Video will be coming. More rides, more touring. To be continued. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding. As always, have a blessed day.